All right. Summary judgment. To prevail on a motion for summary judgment, a party must show that there is no genuine dispute of material fact such that the movement is entitled to judgment as a matter of law. And when ruling on that motion, the judge will consider what? All inferences in the light most favorable to who? The non-moving party. When is a summary judgment motion made? After the close of discovery. You don't move for summary judgment until after the close of discovery. And what do you need to attach? Supporting materials for the record. As an alternative, you can simply allege the other side has no evidence to support its claims or defenses. Okay, summary judgment. No genuine dispute of material fact. Movement is entitled to judgment as a matter of law. All inferences drawn in the light most favorable to the non-moving party. When do we make it? After the close of discovery. And what must we attach? Supporting documents or allege the other side has no evidence to support its claims or defenses. Okay, JMOL. After one side has been fully heard on an issue, a party may move for judgment as a matter of law. The legal standard: no reasonable jury would have a sufficient evidentiary basis to find for the opposite side. And if granted, you win on JMOL, yes, that's a final judgment on the merits. So when can you move for renewed JMOL? That's right, up to 28 days after the entry of judgment, provided that you move for JMOL in the first place. What may the judge not do? JMOL, RJMOL. The judge may not weigh the evidence herself or consider the credibility of witnesses herself. That is a no. No reasonable jury would have a sufficient evidentiary basis. It is not for the judge to weigh evidence or consider the credibility of witnesses. Okay, when do we move for it? After one side has been fully heard. What can't the judge do? Weigh evidence, consider witness credibility. If you win on JMOL, oh yes, final judgment. If you don't win, you can still move for RJMOL 28 days after the entry of the judgment. Okay, what happens if somebody just presents nothing for the jury to consider? It's not proper for the judge to consider JMOL. No evidence, no JMOL. Okay, motion for a new trial. What are our grounds? A serious error during the trial or verdict is against the manifest weight of the evidence. Serious error during trial, a judicial error, a wrong jury instruction, juror misconduct, lawyer misconduct. Serious error during trial or claiming the verdict is what? Against the manifest weight of the evidence. For a new trial, how long do we get? 30 days. The judge may weigh evidence. JMOL can't weigh evidence. Motion for a new trial, judge may weigh evidence, but what can't the judge do? Substitute her judgment for that of the jury. Remember, JMOL and motion for a new trial are often pleaded in the alternative. The judge is more likely to grant a motion for a new trial because that's not a final judgment.